Hey guys, Alem here with your DMV team. I'm getting ready to do a property tour here for you guys. I'm actually here in the heart of Alexandria in Old Town. Getting ready to show you this beautiful detached home. It's really nicely laid out. They have completely remodeled the entire unit. It consists of 3 full bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, has nearly 1,300 square feet of space. In addition to that, it does have ample amount of space for private parking. The property has 2 separate sheds as well. It has a lot of green space for you to be able to obviously enjoy the outdoors when need be. And then more than anything else, the location is extremely key, making it very walkable in regards to Old Town and everything that it has to offer. Come on, let's go ahead and check it out.